Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So for today, for our DIY video, I decided to throw some LED strips under the sofa just to lighten things up. As you can see, this one, it has different modes. I first kind of got this idea when I went into showrooms, and some of the new couches have the LED lights and the cup holders. So let's get started on this project. For this project, the materials that you are going to need are LED light strip, LED connectors, wires, a DC adapter, light controller, and zip tie. Now, as you can see here, we bought a kit, so it comes with the LED, the DC adapter, and then a couple of connectors. The first thing that we did is we plugged it in and made sure that the LED light strip worked. And the next thing that we did is we peeled the adhesive on the back and we taped it to the bottom of the frame. You can use some zip ties like at the ends in the middle to hold it together. Then we tested it again just to make sure it's not too bright, to see if the controller works and see if it flashes and see how the couch is going to look with it before we move on to the second part of it. Then after everything worked right, we hid the wires, made sure the little IR was sticking out the side just a little bit so that it can catch the remote signal. And then we're done. This project took less than 30 minutes and made the room look a whole lot better. So thanks for watching.